Open any web browser on your PC. It can be Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Click on the address bar at the top. Type in 192.168.1.1 and hit enter. A router login page will now appear on your screen. Here you'll see two fields, username and password. For most routers, the default username is admin, and the default password is also admin or password. Type them in and click login. Now, if that didn't work, don't worry. Just flip your router around and check the sticker on the back. The default username and password are usually printed right there. You can also find it by Googling your router brand name followed by default login. Once you're logged in, you now have full access to your router admin panel. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi name, password, connected devices, security settings, and a lot more. Always hit save after making any changes. Also, keep in mind some routers use a different IP address, like 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.0.1. If 192.168.1.1 doesn't open anything, try those instead. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.